Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Cap. And today we'll see how we can design this part in SolidWorks. Let's get started. So first of all, this part I have taken from the SolidWorks problem set 1.1, which is a practice problem set for preparing for CSWA exam. And the question is like we have to create this part and we have to check its volume, whether we have design part volume is correct or not. So first of all, I want you to uh, visualize this dimension or visualize this geometry first. So it will be helpful for you to design this part. So first of all, we will design this geometry and then we will extrude this part from the main geometry and then we will create a hole here. So first of all, I'll switch to SolidWorks. I'll click on part, select front plane, sketch. First of all, I will draw a geometry. Escape key to out. Click on Smart Dimension. Assign this dimension as 75. And assign this dimension as 60. Then we have 30 from base to this. This is 30. Then this is 20 from this face to this face. This is 20. And this is 12 from this to this. So these dimensions are completed. Now we have to assign this dimension which is given in the top view, which is 20 mm. Then this is 12 from here to here, which is here to here. Then this is 12 from here to here. I will check whether we have assigned correct dimensions. Okay, and we have to extrude for 28 mm. And the sketch is fully defined. I will click OK. Now first step is done. I will click on this face and sketch normal. We have to cut this surface. So I will draw the geometry for cut. Escape it out. I will click on this line and make horizontal. This is vertical. Now go to Smart Dimension. Uh, we have to from this face to this, which is 20. So I will click this to this, which is given as 20, and this is 12 from this to this. So I click on this, which is given as 20, and we will assign any dimension for here, like greater than 15, like 20. From here to here, just let's say 10 mm. And the sketch is fully defined. Click OK. Extrude cut and rotate the model using cursor, and we will select up to surface, and we have to extrude till this surface. So I will click here and OK. Now as you see, our sketch is looking similar to this, but one thing is missing, that this is hole. The hole is missing. So I click on, then go to Smart Dimension, give the diameter as 12 from this base to center of a circle, which is given as 16. From this to this, which is given as 16. I will quickly recheck. Okay, go to features, extrude cut, select the sketch from here, or you can go to drop down menu and select the sketch as well. And we can say through all. Okay, now our sketch is completed. We will check whether our volume is correct or not. Evaluate mass properties, when which is volume is given as 72593.27, which is 72593. which is same as given in the SolidWorks answer. So I hope you are also able to create these parts in SolidWorks, and thank you for watching the video.